Hi all, it's Eddie from Willy Tropicals, just with a really quick video today on how to keep your pond clean. Welcome back for the regular viewers, and if you're not subscribed yet, please help us on our journey to get to 1,000 subscribers and get subscribed today for more tropical content. Without further ado, you've clicked on the thumbnail because you wanted to know how to keep your tropical pond clean. And I'm going to show you now a really quick, easy, reusable way as well of keeping it topped up. When I first got this, I was really struggling with stagnant water, the smell of the stagnant water, the fact that the water always looked green or murky every time I turned the pump on. The pond was brown, and obviously I wanted to look this crystal clear, as well as I didn't want to use chemicals. I wanted this as a bit of a wildlife pond, so originally I was trying to throw in the odd chemicals to get rid of like blanket weed and all these other bits and bobs, but then it was going against the whole ethos of me having that in the garden. So I'm going to show you today an eco-friendly way, a reusable and a very cheap way of being able to keep the pond clean. Just cleaning out the pump, and I can see it's all gone absolutely murky. It's grim. The watercolour's disgusting all the way around. I thought I'd show. Got this green stuff like algae or whatever it is growing all the way around. I just thought I'd show people like a little tip or trick that I use. Like I say, I know you can buy pond filters and liners and all these other things. However, I bought these magic sponge things from Temu. Don't judge. I tried other methods and they wasn't as good as this. So what I've done, I bought this net as well. It's with like a little toggle on the end. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to zip that around that filter, give it a bit of a wipe over, and then I fill the box, this little bag, with all these little white sponges. They don't seem to mess with the flow of the water or anything, like some of the other stuff was a bit too heavy, I felt. So the pump was really struggling to get the water to go through. I've also noticed that these are really quick to act as well. So I'll put this in, I would expect within a day or two of it running for a couple of hours, that pond water should be crystal clear. So I'll keep you updated on the lagoon. At the moment it looks absolutely disgusting. So we're back the very next stage. You can see the water is looking a lot clearer now. You can see all the way through. The stones look clean. All the bit on the side there, I just need to give that a scrub. I've got like a little brush, I need to scrub that. That's off the actual liner itself. So for the sake of just a little net with some magic sponges in, I think we'll all agree that that works really well. Yes, like I said, I had the water running the whole time, so it wasn't like it had just kicked up a load of silt that was in there and made the pond look dirty. That was running for hours before, and it was murky before I put it on. I was running it to try and see if the cleaner would with the pond filter would actually clean it through actually running it through the system. But yeah, it looks fantastic. Just thought for the final test, leave the water running for a little bit and just show like it's still absolutely crystal clear. Going to give all the sides a scrub later, which will then obviously silt the pool back up, silt the little pond back up again. But I can live with that because obviously I know the filters that I've got set up there are going to clean the water. And bear in mind this was only overnight. I ran the pool yesterday, the little pond, for a couple of hours only. And then I've had it on again just now for about another 10 minutes. So it's surprising how quickly these can clean up. Obviously if you've got a bigger pond, obviously it'll take a little bit longer than that, I'm sure. But thought I'd save everybody some money and just show you just a quick method. You might have your own, but I just thought I'd throw this in the mix.